Track right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm the originator. I created the track. You know, the first person to make it. We already had two people to remake it already. Rock, Spade. It's all cool though, you know what I'm saying? Everybody try to get that little come up. But I'm gonna drop this shit. Let's go.
Open up circle, volume 1.